Welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. I just wanted to make a quick video thanking you guys. I officially have made 300 subscribers, and thank you to everyone that shared my video, liked my video, and commented. Please comment below this video what type of videos you want me to create next. And as promised, I said that I would be doing a Canva template giveaway, and that is going to be a planner template design that you can edit for yourself or that you can edit to be able to resell on Etsy or your website. So I'm going to go in and show you guys a preview of it, and then it's going to be available on my website. And so I'm going to have that link in the description. And thank you so much for the 300 subscribers. And I can't wait to make it to the next milestone, which will be 500 subscribers. All right, guys, so here is a preview of the planner that I'm going to be giving away for free. And as you can see, we have the full calendar for 2026. This is great because we're already at the end of this year to be able to get started. We see the 2027 calendar as well. So this is a 2-year planner that you can go ahead and sell out. And of course, all of these elements can be edited. The colors, the fonts can be changed, and so forth. So year planner, we're just going to skip through and kind of show you. We have your year planner by quarter. We have your reviews tracker, how you're feeling, productivity, and let's go ahead and skip through here. Quarterly plans, monthly, weekly by the month. We have your goals, top important dates, appointments, other tasks. So there is a lot of different things that you can go in here and edit. We have your weekly schedule by times. It's a lot of different templates in here that you can I am grateful for and why. Your day overview, what you're grateful for, your financial goals, health goals, work, love goals, travel, relationship goals. This is your vision board that you can go ahead and create the end of December or January. Different action and goals that you can do. So as you can see, there's a ton of, you have 30-day challenges that you can do. And of course, you can always duplicate these pages if you want to create multiple of the same design. Maybe do a 30-day financial challenge, a 30-day fitness challenge, and you can change the text. We have habits on here, expenses. So this is all in one to keep track of your budgets, your balances. And again, you can duplicate these. And as you can see, this is 63 pages. So you can duplicate this to any of the pages to add any more that you would need. This has been a preview of the planner that I'm going to give away template. So it's going to be in the description below. Please like this video. I know that this is just me going over a template, but I would appreciate it if you would have liked this video. Comment down below what other videos you want me to create next. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so that you can be a part of the next giveaway. Thank you once again. Have a great day.